YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her favorites. Hope the month of March is treating you guys quite well. I am just trying to go with the motion of life and just see if I can return back in one piece. The baby is asleep, so I'm going to go ahead and try to do a very quick video for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Alright. This is by Elements by Spa and Home. And this is going to be a salt glow. So it's a salt that I use just to rub on my, scrub on my skin, which is amazing. I love this so much. And I've been using this the whole entire month of January, February, and half of March. I also have the Fresh and Cream Mint Philosophy. So this has been amazing. The combination of both of these are really good. It's just been making the skin feel great and soothing. So that is another favorite of mine. I also got the cucumber matcha tea bentanoid clay mask. I've been using this once a week for my face, and I do see results, and I do see a change. So this is something that's strongly recommended. I love it. Also, the Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth blur. I've been using this as well on the go, literally with no foundation or powder, just that. It's just changes up the skin a little bit. So, and it's very easy, and it's not hard for me to put on. And what I've been traveling, what was in the hospital bag, what was always with me was this MAC eyeshadow duo. And it's just been amazing for me. And those are my 5 favorites. I couldn't hold all of them all at the same time because it's too heavy. And that was my very quick favorites for you guys. I know it might be the fastest one, but I am running against time. I hope you guys are having a wonderful month of March, and I can't wait to see how you guys are doing. I miss you guys so much. I don't know what else to say, and it's just me just adjusting, getting back into the camera, and me figuring out how to speak English again. So hopefully I'll get it together very soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll see you guys soon.